Okay, so this is my July garden tour. As you can see, it's getting a little overgrown. And, but we got a lot of good stuff going. So, got lots of cucumbers here that we've been harvesting. And just all kinds of growth here. Living its best life. Lots of tomatoes. This was actually a volunteer tomato that just came up from last year. And I didn't even have to plant it. It looks like some kind of cherry tomato. And there's already stuff rotting off the vine. If you see under here, there's some melons that are growing right now, which is super exciting. There's also a sugar baby watermelon in here. And lots of growth over the top, which is exciting. We have our lemon basil living its best life. Strawberries, mint, more tomatoes, more strawberry mint, some cloves, my little rose arch. I have some horseradish, asparagus growing, strawberries, and we have a round zucchini that's growing, as well as my blueberry. And this lettuce has gotten a little bit overgrown. I have my bachelor buttons, which are the blue flowers here. Kale, beets, more growth in here. This is definitely ready to harvest. My blackberries, which I'm in the process of redoing this raised bed, so it looks a little crazy right now. Alright, so I planted some corn, squash, and sunflowers in this corner, as well as the raspberries that are in the back here. And they look like they're just taking off. These sunflowers are growing really tall, which is really exciting. This is a mini sunflower, so it doesn't grow as tall, but they're ready to open up. And then I'm excited to show you that we have some baby boo pumpkins that are growing. So down here you'll see they're just taking off. My grapes are ready to harvest here. I've been watching them all summer. I have another little baby boo, which is so cute. It's a mini pumpkin, which I love. And then we have a Patapan squash here that's growing, which is really exciting. And then more of my baby boo squash. Some more sunflowers, and then my raspberries just tend to take over. They just completely fill up this last quadrant. So yeah, all in all, it's looking awesome. I definitely need to pluck some of my strawberries, and my dog Apollo just absolutely loves coming in the garden with me because he loves eating the food as well. This is a pineapple sage here, and goji berry, some zucchini, which is growing and almost ready to pluck here. And then I love just growing this blue sage because it attracts all of the honeybees. They just absolutely love it. And it just adds a pop of color to the garden. So yeah, that's pretty much it.